Assalamu alaikum everyone. Here are some instructions guideline for you to enroll your student batch with English Verse course. We have approx 350 students enrolled in English Verse program for our 4 region: Karachi, Hyderabad, Sakkar and Khairpur. Each teacher have 14 students. So for this, teachers should have to make an individual course for their batch on Canvas by simply importing an existing unit from English Verse booklet to your particular course. This will ensure that activities, discussion board, assignments are easily manageable for 14 students by their teacher in their respective course. So in this tutorial, I will going to show you how to enroll your batch for English Verse course. So this is the dashboard of your Canvas. From your Canvas dashboard, on the right hand side, you will find Start a New Course button. Click on it. After clicking, this dialog box appears. Write a course name. For example, I am writing EW Batch 1 Karachi. Then click on Create Course. After clicking on Create Course, you will directly land at your course template. On your right hand side, you will see Import Existing Content button. Click on it. After clicking, you will see this Import Content menu. From Import Content, click on drop down menu, and from drop down menu, you can select Copy a Canvas course. Then from Search for a course, you may select English Verse booklet. From Content, you will select Specific Content. Then click on Import. After importing content, you see this Current Job option. Here on the right hand side, click on Select Content, and from this menu, you will select your specific module. Like I am importing an orientation and unit 1 from this module section. After successfully importing existing module, you will see that module in your batch course. Now make sure before adding students, you have to set some prerequisite setting for the students, so they all must have to complete all the modules before moving to another unit. For this, you will see these 3 dots. Click on it, then click on Edit, and from Edit Module Setting, you can click on Add Prerequisite, and from drop down menu, you can select an orientation as a prerequisite. You also have to set the requirements. Click on Add Requirements and click Students must complete all these requirements, and also this option, Students must move through requirement in sequential order. Click on Update Module. So now an orientation module is prerequisite and students must have to complete before moving to Unit 1. So after completing all the tasks, your final step is to add your batch students. So for this, you just click on this People button. After clicking on that, you will land on this page. Here you will find on the right hand side Add People button option. Click on it, write their ID. After writing their ID, click on Next, then select the name, again Next, and again Add Users. Now you have done with it.